Hello everyone, this is Ashish Jain. Now in this video we will talk about payroll. Now generally payroll we will use in every business, in every company. Now what is payroll? Payroll is it is a list of company's employee and the amount to be paid. Or you can say it refers to the list of employees that receive compensation from a company. Okay, so with the help of payroll we actually know what would be the exact amount of compensation received by the employees. Okay, so whenever an individual appointed as an accountant, he need to know how to work payroll in Excel. Okay, so we generally payroll actually works only in Excel. Okay, so we will discuss payroll and we will do different types of illustration one by one. Today we will talk first illustration. So let's start with the first illustration, that is question number 1. Now first question is, Messrs AB Limited pays to its employees the salary on the basis of basic pay. The gross salary of an employee consists of DNS allowance and HRA, that is house rent allowance. The components of salary are computed according to the following terms of contract of services. Now the first terms and condition is DNS allowance is paid at the rate of 10%, 10% of basic pay, subject to a maximum of rupees 5,000, which means DNS allowance is paid as per 10% of basic pay, but that the whole amount can't exceed rupees 5,400. So here we will use a function which is called main function. I will tell you later how to use it. Now next terms and condition is related to HRA. Now HRA is to be computed as per the following scale. Means if basic pay is up to rupees 10,000, then HRA would be 10% of basic salary. And if basic pay is between 10,001 to 25,000, HRA is to be paid rupees 1,000 plus 20% of basic salary, which should not be exceed rupees 10,000. Then if basic pay exceeds rupees 25,000, then HRA would be rupees 4,000 plus 30% of basic salary, not exceeding rupees 25,000. So let's discuss how to make this payroll in Excel. Okay, so I have already made a basic format of payroll. Now the heading is payroll for the month of. Now in this question it is not given for which month they are going to make a payroll. So I have written payroll for the month of dash. Now I have listed 10 employees and I have written alphabets only instead of name. Okay, so it is not given what would be the basic salary, so that means which we need to assume the basic salary. Let's take 8,000, 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, 15,000, 25,000, 30,000, 50,000, 60, 84,000 and 90,000. Okay, I have taken basic salary on the basis of assumption because it is not given on the question what would be the basic salary. Okay, now let's take how to calculate DA. Now DA is to be paid at 10% of basic pay, subject to a maximum of rupees 5,400. Let's see how to do this. Now basic DA would be 10% of basic salary and subject to a maximum of rupees 5,400. Now whenever there is a constraint like basic like D should not be exceed rupees this amount, Okay, so we will use a function that is called main function. So equal to main bracket open, so D would be 10% of basic salary. Basic salary, here the cell is B4, 10% of basic salary, that is B4. Okay, and the maximum amount should be rupees 5400. Okay, now bracket close and then press enter. Okay, so 10% of 5000 is 500. Okay, now we will drag to the downward like this. Now here you can see at this value, if we take 10% of this amount, that is rupees 6000, and the amount is 5400, that means we have done correctly. Okay, so you need to remember, whenever there is a constraint that the amount should not exceed of this, so we will always use min. How to use min? 10% of this, and then take here the value, the maximum value. Okay, now come to HRA. Now HRA says if the amount is up to rupees 10,000, then HRA would be 10% of basic salary. So here we need to use another function which is called if functions. That is equal to if basic pay, that is B4, is less than 10,000, then HRA would be 10% of 10% of basic salary. 10% of basic salary. Okay, comma, then we will use another function, another if function. If basic salary, that is B4, is up to 25,000. Okay, तो क्या होना चाहिए? Then it would be 1000 plus 20,000 of basic salary not exceeding rupees 10,000. Then it would be 1000 plus 20% of basic salary, 20% of basic salary, that is B4, and this amount should not exceed rupees 10,000. Bracket close. Otherwise, that means if basic salary exceeding rupees 20,000, then क्या होगा? Then HRA would be 4,000 plus 30% of basic salary not exceeding rupees 25,000. So 4,000 plus 30% of basic salary, which is B4, minus 25,000. Bracket of close. Then again bracket close, then again bracket close. Press enter. So this would be the HRA. Now drop down this till here. So this is the calculation of HRA. Okay. Now come to gross, which is the simplest part. That is equal to, for the, we will use sum function, sum of basic, DA and HRA. Press enter and then drop down. Okay, so here we will use sum function again, sum of all this, and then drag it to right. Okay, So this is a basic question on the payroll. Okay, so in the next video we will do another session on payroll. Thank you. Please keep like, share and subscribe my channel.